Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your channel. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're going to help you talk about your favorite sports in English.
That's right. Sports are a great topic for conversation. Whether you're at work, at school, or meeting new friends, talking about sports is always fun and easy.
So let's start with a natural conversation, and then we'll break it down to help you learn useful phrases and vocabulary.
Ready, Sarah?
Let's go.
Hey, Sarah, do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I really enjoy playing sports and watching them too. What about you, Mike?
I love sports. My favorite sport is basketball. I play it every weekend with my friends.
Oh, that's cool. Why do you like basketball?
Well, I like it because it's fast and exciting. You need to run a lot and work as a team. Plus, it keeps me fit and healthy.
That sounds great. How long have you been playing basketball?
I've been playing for about 5 years now. I started when I was in high school. Do you play any sports, Sarah?
Yes, my favorite sport is tennis. I play it twice a week at the local sports club.
Tennis. That's a great sport. Is it difficult to learn?
At first, yes, it was quite hard to hit the ball correctly, but after practicing for a few months, I got much better.
That's awesome. Do you prefer playing sports or watching them on TV?
That's a good question. I enjoy both, but I think I prefer playing because it's more active. Although I do love watching tennis tournaments, especially Wimbledon.
Me too. I love watching the NBA playoffs. It's so exciting. Do you have a favorite player?
Yes, I really admire Serena Williams. She's so strong and talented. What about you?
My favorite player is LeBron James. He's amazing. He's been playing professionally for over 20 years.
Wow, that's impressive. Mike, do you think everyone should play sports?
Absolutely. Sports are good for your health and your mind. They help you stay active, make friends, and learn teamwork.
I completely agree. Plus, sports teach you important life skills like discipline and determination.
Exactly. So, what would you say to someone who wants to start playing a sport?
I would say just start. Don't worry if you're not good at first. The important thing is to have fun and keep practicing.
Great advice, Sarah.
Okay, everyone, let's look at some important words and phrases from our conversation.
First, when we ask someone about sports, we can say, "Do you like sports? What's your favorite sport? Do you play any sports?"
To talk about frequency, we use phrases like every weekend. This means Saturday and Sunday each week. Twice a week. This means 2 times in 7 days. Once a month. This means 1 time in 30 days.
When you explain why you like something, you can use, "I like it because," the reason is, "it's good for."
Here are some useful adjectives to describe sports: fast, exciting, difficult or easy, fun, challenging, relaxing.
And here are some common verbs we use with sports. Play, we use this for team sports and games with a ball. Example, play basketball, play tennis, play football. Go, we use this for sports that end in ing. Example, go swimming, go running, go skiing. Do, we use this for individual activities. Example, do yoga, do karate, do gymnastics.
Now, let me tell you a short story about how I started playing tennis.
Great idea. Stories help us practice using the past tense.
When I was 10 years old, I watched a tennis match on TV with my father. I saw a young player hit the ball so powerfully and gracefully. I turned to my dad and said, "I want to do that." The next week, my father bought me my first tennis racket. It was red and white, and I loved it. At first, I couldn't even hit the ball over the net. I felt frustrated and wanted to give up. But my father said, "Sarah, even professional players were beginners once. Keep trying." So I practiced every day after school. After 3 months, I could finally play a proper game. Now, 15 years later, tennis is still my favorite sport. It taught me that with patience and hard work, you can achieve anything.
What a beautiful story, Sarah. It shows that practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Now, Mike, tell us your basketball story.
Sure. I remember my first basketball game very clearly. I was 15 years old and I was very nervous. My hands were shaking and my heart was beating fast. When the game started, I ran up and down the court. Suddenly, my teammate passed the ball to me. I caught it and ran toward the basket. I jumped and threw the ball, and I missed. I felt so embarrassed. Everyone was watching. But then my coach shouted, "Good try, Mike. Shoot again." In the second half of the game, I got another chance. This time, I focused, aimed carefully, and shot the ball. Swish! It went straight into the basket. My team cheered, and I felt incredible. That moment changed everything for me. I learned that failure is just part of learning. Since that day, I've loved basketball even more.
That's an inspiring story, Mike. It shows that mistakes help us grow.
Now it's your turn to practice. We'll ask some questions, and you can pause the video to answer out loud.
Question 1. What is your favorite sport?
Take your time. Think about it.
Question 2. How often do you play or watch sports?
Remember to use phrases like every day, once a week, or on weekends.
Question 3. Why do you like this sport? What makes it special?
Try to give at least 2 reasons.
Question 4. Do you have a favorite sports player or team? Why do you like them?
Great! Now try to put all your answers together in a short story.
Before we finish, let's review some useful phrases you can use. Starting a conversation about sports. Are you into sports? What sports do you follow? Do you play or watch any sports?
Talking about your preferences. My favorite sport is, I'm really into, I love playing or watching. Explaining why you like a sport. I enjoy it because, what I love about it is, it's great for describing your experience. I've been playing for, I started when I was. I usually play or watch, asking follow-up questions. How long have you been playing? What position do you play? Who's your favorite player? Have you ever tried?
Excellent work, everyone. Today we learned how to talk about sports in English.
We practiced useful vocabulary, learned when to use play, go, and do with different sports, and heard some real stories.
Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice speaking. So try talking about your favorite sports with friends, family, or even yourself in the mirror.
And here's your homework. Write 3 sentences about your favorite sport in the comments below. We'll read them and give you feedback.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content.
See you in the next lesson.
Vocabulary list. Common sports. Football, soccer, basketball, tennis, swimming, running, volleyball, baseball, badminton, golf, cycling. Sports equipment. Ball, racket, net, bat, helmet, shoes/sneakers, uniform/jersey, sports locations, court for basketball, tennis, field for football, soccer, pool for swimming, gym for many indoor sports, stadium for big games, track for running. Key verbs: win/lose, score a goal/point, practice/train, compete, exercise, improve. Football, soccer, basketball, tennis, swimming, running, volleyball, baseball, badminton, golf, cycling. Sports equipment: ball, racket, net, bat, helmet, shoes/sneakers, uniform/jersey, sports locations, court for basketball, tennis, field for football, soccer, pool for swimming, gym for many indoor sports, stadium for big games, track for running. Key verbs: win/lose, score a goal/point, practice/train, compete, exercise, improve.